Welcome to today's news. Tripura Public Service Commission has invited application for specialist medical officer post. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website of TPSC at tpsc.tripura.gov.in. This recruitment is for filling 172 medical officer vacancy in Tripura government hospitals. The registration process will begin on January 10 and will close on February 2, 2025. Eligibility criteria: postgraduate degree, DNB, postgraduate diploma holders in any specialty recognized by NMC for not less than 2 years, holders of permanent registration certificate of any state medical council or NMC. The candidate should have permanent residence certificate of Tripura. The age limit should be below 40 years as on February 2, 2025. Selection process. The selection process comprises of 2 steps: screening test, which will have 85 marks of API score, and interview of 15 marks. The final selection will be made in merit on the basis of the marks obtained by a candidate API score and by adding the marks obtained in the interview process out of 15 marks. Candidates can make correction in any details of the online application form for the respective advertisement after closing date of submission of online application. The window for making correction only will remain open for 7 days before closing date of submission of online application form. Eligibility, selection process and other related details. Candidates are advised to visit the official website of TPSC.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https://studyforsure.com.
Thank you.